Is your car's AC blowing warm air? Or is the AC compressor clutch refusing to engage, making it impossible to recharge the system? In this video, I'll show you how to safely add refrigerant to your car's AC system and how to manually engage the AC compressor clutch if low refrigerant pressure is preventing it from turning on. I'll also explain why this happens and what you should check before adding refrigerant. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand why the compressor won't engage. When the refrigerant level gets too low, the AC pressure switch tells the vehicle's computer to disable the compressor. This safety feature prevents the compressor from running without enough refrigerant and lubricant, which could cause expensive damage. Before you can recharge the system, you'll need the compressor clutch to engage. Step 2. Gather your tools. You'll need a refrigerant recharge kit with a built-in pressure gauge. These kits are inexpensive, easy to use, and perfect for DIY repairs. The gauge lets you monitor system pressure while adding refrigerant, so you don't need a professional manifold gauge set for a basic recharge. Step 3. Check if the compressor is engaging. Start the engine. Set the AC to the coldest setting. Turn the blower fan to maximum speed. Let the engine idle for a minute or two, then inspect the AC compressor. If the center clutch is spinning with the pulley, the compressor is engaged and you're ready to recharge the system. If the pulley spins but the center clutch stays still, continue to the next step. Step 4. Manually engage the AC compressor clutch. Locate the underhood fuse and relay box. Find the AC compressor relay using the diagram inside the fuse box cover. Remove the relay and identify terminal 87 using the relay diagram. With the engine running and the AC switched on, carefully supply battery voltage to terminal 87 using a fuse jumper wire. If everything else is working properly, the compressor clutch should click on and begin spinning. Once it's engaged, you're ready to recharge the system. Step 5. Add refrigerant. Locate the low-pressure service port. It usually has a blue or black cap labeled low. Remove the cap and connect the recharge hose. The fitting is designed so it only connects to the low-pressure port. Hold the refrigerant can upright and slowly add refrigerant while monitoring the pressure gauge. Continue until the gauge reaches the recommended range for the current outdoor temperature. Avoid overcharging the system, as too much refrigerant can reduce cooling performance and damage AC components. Step 6. Verify the repair. After charging the system, disconnect the hose and reinstall the service port cap. Check the air coming from the vents. It should now be noticeably colder. If the pressure is already within the correct range but the AC still doesn't cool, the problem could be a faulty compressor, pressure switch, relay, electrical issue, or another AC system fault that requires further diagnosis. That's it. You've successfully recharged your car's AC system and manually engaged the compressor clutch when necessary. If this guide helped you save time and money, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other DIY automotive repair tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.